Hello everyone, I'm Jonathan with Creative Blinds, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the batteries in your Hunter Douglas PowerView remote. Everyone loves our motorized blinds, but sometimes they'll call us and say, hey, my shade's not working, and it's as easy as fixing the battery. So to change your battery, first you're going to want to take the remote out of your pebble or surface wall mount. In this case we have the pebble, so just remove it from there. There's a screw on the back. You can usually get it with your fingers, but it's best to keep a flathead screwdriver handy to loosen. Once you get the back cover off, your batteries are located on the back. You can just pop them out. These remotes take two small 3-volt batteries. You can pick them up anywhere you can find the batteries. So to put your new batteries in, make sure they're facing the correct way. Pop them into each socket. And then take your cap and screw it back on. And once your cap is screwed back on, you can place it back in your pebble and it's ready for operation. These batteries should last you up to 13 months, so if your shade's ever not working, this is the first place to start.